Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these gorgeous 3 different styles of envelope which are made using net cloth. So I will share 3 variations of using the net cloth to decorate your envelopes, and you can also use these techniques to decorate your cards, boxes and many more things with the quilling twist. So let's get started. I am starting with my beautiful green envelope. Here I am taking blue color cardstock which is 19.5 by 21 centimeter. From left side I have creased at 6.5 and 14.5 centimeters. Now just rotate the sheet, and from both the sides I have creased at 1 centimeters. Okay, now folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder. Here I am sharing you how to make the envelope. Now we just need to cut this 1 centimeter line till the center part from top and bottom. Similarly repeating from another side. And then we just need to stick this bottom part, and tada! The envelope is ready. Super duper easy. And this is done. Now I'm taking this beautiful green color net cloth which is 24 by 6.6 centimeters, and I am going to make some pattern using this. So just taking one cotton thread in white color, folding my net from center, and we just need to start weaving exactly in the center. This is simple running stitch like this. Pull the thread tightly and wrap it around this. Make tight knots. The bow design is ready. Just cutting the excess thread, and then I'm taking this light green cardstock which is 17.5 by 6.5 centimeters, and we need to connect this net bow on the cardstock. So from back side I am just adding double-sided tacky tape and then sticking the net. To hold the bow from center, adding one small piece of double-sided tape in the center part as well. And this is completely ready. Then I'm taking one gold glitter cardstock which is 18.5 by 7.5 centimeters and sticking my net pattern on top of this. Then sticking the whole pattern on the blue envelope which we have created. Then taking these two circles, the glitter one having 5 cm diameter and the blue one having 4 cm diameter, just sticking both the circles together. Then on top of this I am adding one green color tight coil which is made using 1.5 strip of green color in 3 mm. Then around this I am adding white tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of white strip in 3 mm. So just adding the white tight coils. Then around this I am wrapping one blue color strip. Then for the next layer I am taking half strip of light green color in 3mm and making one tight coil and sticking the tight coil around this. And then at the end I am adding 2 strips of white color in 3mm and just wrapping it around the pattern. Then just decorating these light green color tight coils using some beautiful gold stones. And the beautiful charm is ready, sticking it exactly on top of the bow. And voila, our first envelope is ready, looking very pretty. Proceeding for the next one, that is the pink one, very pretty color. So I have already prepared this envelope using white cardstock and added silver glitter cardstock on this, just like we did before. So the base is ready. Now taking this strip of pink color net, and the total length of net is 28 by 3 centimeters. I have just folded this from center. Now we just need to do the running stitch from top using cotton thread. And creating here beautiful flower pattern using net, just tightening it nicely and making the stitch at the end, just joining both the ends to make this rosette pattern. Making some knots in the center, cutting excess thread, and the beautiful rosette is ready. I have just added one big half cut pearl in the center to decorate this. Now I am taking back the envelope, adding one pink color cardstock on top of this. To stick this I have used double-sided tape. You can also use normal glue. So just removing the liners and sticking it on the envelope. Then taking 2 strips, one in glitter and one in pink color, and sticking it on the right side of the envelope exactly in the center. Left side doesn't matter because on top of this I am going to stick the rosette like this. To stick this I am using strong adhesive because this is the net cloth. And then in the center part of the pink strip I am adding these dark pink color tight coils which are made using half strip of dark pink in 3mm. on the top and in the bottom between each tight coil I am adding 3 mm white color half cut pearls. And this is done. So the second envelope is also ready, looking very pretty and elegant. Now I'm starting with my third envelope, that is the yellow one. For this I have already prepared this envelope base using light green cardstock. On this I am adding this gold glitter cardstock. So base is ready. Then taking this yellow color net cloth, which is having super fine quality, and this measures 8 by 45 centimeters. Now we just need to fold this in half from top like this, and we need to create small plates like this, and then I will just weave this. So we'll do it one by one. Create one plate. Secure this nicely using cotton thread. Then making the another plate and again securing this, and keep repeating this process till the end of the cloth. Like this, we need to complete it. And after finishing this, I have just stuck it on green color cardstock in the semicircle shape. Looking very pretty, isn't it? And in the front I have added gold glitter semicircle and yellow semicircle on the green paper. From back side you can see these stitches which we have created to make the plates, and the decoration pattern is ready. Now to decorate it little more, I am doing some quilling work on this. So on the edge of yellow cardstock I am adding yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm. Then exactly in the center adding one dark green tight coil which is made using 1/2 strip, and around this I am adding white tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of white color. Then between both the designs I am adding one blue color leaf shape stone or diamond. Then on the edge of light green color cardstock I am adding 3 mm half cut white color pearls. And the beautiful pattern is ready. It's looking very vibrant and attractive. Now taking back my envelope which we have created, and on top of this I am adding yellow color cardstock. And then sticking the net pattern, again I am using strong adhesive to stick this nicely. So putting it exactly in the center top, hold it for a few seconds so that it will stick nicely, and this is done. Now just to add little more glittery look, I am adding these gold cardstock circle cutouts randomly here and there. I have created these circles using hole punch machine. And can you see how shiny and beautiful this is looking? So all three very pretty net cloth envelopes are ready. You can use this technique to create your own cards, and you can also use different colors and create different patterns. Isn't it a unique idea? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.